What's going on, guys? This is Ken from Ken's How To's and Reviews. Today I'm going to do a quick and short video on how to change your power steering fluid. First thing you need to do is go to the store, any kind of AutoZone or O'Reilly's, and get the appropriate power steering fluid for your vehicle. So I have a Toyota, so this is going to be Asian vehicles, and it kind of lists out here. Second thing you're going to do is you're going to get under your hood or look at your owner's manual and see where your power steering fluid is. I know because this says power steering fluid. So unscrew this guy and you can see where mine is a minimum right there. It's a little below. So I'm just gonna take this, fill her up. And then just fill it up until it goes to the maximum line or in between. And you should be good to go. All right, like, subscribe, come on back next time. See ya.